That construction of a new flyover bridge at Navy Pier. Here's Megan Hickey.
There's a light at the end of the construction tunnel.
A lot's been said about the Lakefront Trail separation, and it's been a long time coming.
This morning, the city broke ground on phase 2. Starting with an 800-foot section of the pedestrian bridge that will look like this, connecting the lakefront path for runners, walkers, and bikers above the Chicago River.
So that pedestrians and bicyclists will be able to travel along the Lakefront Trail uninterrupted from Jane Addams Park on the north side of Grand all the way to the north side of the river here.
A little rain didn't stop Mayor Rahm Emanuel from checking out the progress this morning and even giving us the timeline for when the separated walking and biking lanes will be ready.
A year from now, we will have that completion, all 18 miles.
So until then, patience is a virtue. Just 1 year away from a safer alternative to one of the most heavily used portions of the Lakefront Trail. And as you can see, there's still plenty of work to do.
To all the people, pedestrians and the residents in Chicago, I want to thank them ahead of time for their patience, but this project will get done.